Welcome back, guys, to another Tesla video. We have a lot of things to talk about today with news about the Tesla Semi just coming in. You got some job posts for the Tesla Semi, Nevada Gigafactory, and lastly, we do have a ton of news about the Tesla Model Y pricing, production numbers, and what Tesla will be doing in 2021. A lot of crazy and amazing stuff, and 2020 is finally behind us. Let's just see what 2021 has to offer, because this year, the brand new year, Tesla will be announcing some of the coolest things like full autonomy and also like a brand new Tesla vehicle, maybe, who knows, the hatchback, the $25,000 vehicle. It's making me want to buy a Tesla vehicle at this point. So first thing is, let's talk about the Tesla Semi, because there's a brand new manufacturing job that's listed for the Nevada Gigafactory. It's kind of weird because the Nevada Gigafactory is supposed to be like the factory that produces the batteries for the trucks and also the other electric vehicles. And the Austin Gigafactory is where Tesla will be producing the semi trucks in huge numbers and also the Cybertruck. Tesla Semi. They launched this in 2017 and it caused a lot of attention. A lot of people never really cared too much about the Tesla Semi, but me, myself, I saw like this huge potential. Like the trucking market in America is worth like over $80 billion. It's a huge annual business, especially with so many people transitioning to electric. And guess what? Tesla is the only electric car company that makes semi trucks. I mean, sure, Mercedes and BMW, they may consider doing it, BYD in China, but those guys don't even have a factory. I mean, they only have like concept drawings or maybe a couple vehicles, but no one is near as close as Tesla, which is pretty impressive. These are Class 8 trucks with 80,000 pound capacities. They will be having roughly 300 to 500 mile ranges. They will price between $150,000 and $180,000, which really isn't that bad considering Nikola Motors was trying to sell their hydrogen trucks for like $250,000. Musk has also found really cool ways to increase the range, because in 2020, Musk actually said that the Tesla Semi production version will be mostly like 600 to 620 miles of range, which is pretty awesome. And at this current moment, there are a lot of rumors and there's job postings about how Tesla will be bringing the Tesla Semi to Nevada. Musk said that this will be produced in Texas, and it really did confuse a ton of investors and just everyday people when Tesla added this new job position on the website for a manufacturing process engineer at Gigafactory Nevada. This is for the Semi program. It's even more suspicious when Tesla took over a massive new building that's right next to the Gigafactory Nevada, and then we were told that it will be related to Tesla Semi production. Let's just see what happens. I feel like Tesla is really getting into the semi business. They're taking the semi truck really seriously, way more seriously than like the Roadster or Cybertruck, because the semi truck will be the main moneymaker. You have companies like Walmart even ordering semi trucks from Tesla, because Walmart is going into the logistics service. Walmart is launching Walmart Plus, where you can actually purchase things on Walmart. You get this like monthly subscription or yearly, and you get goods delivered to your house for free same day for like just a few bucks. It's super cheap, and a lot of people seem to want to sign up, and Walmart is expanding. If you check out the e-commerce sector, you got FedEx, UPS, Amazon, all those shares are going up. If you're shipping products, if you're a logistics company here in the US and you're on the stock market, your stock is going up. All the e-commerce stocks are going up, and the amount of people shopping online for Black Friday this year was at an all-time high. Malls were at an all-time low. Every single major retail center is doing logistics and also selling products online, because that's the only way to survive. I'm gonna admit that I haven't been to a mall in more than like a year and a half, and I've been ordering everything, including my clothes, shoes, laptop, all from the safety of my home. And this is why logistics is paying such a big business, and more people are ordering semi trucks. No one is making electric semi trucks, and the semi trucks by Tesla will be fully operational. You could actually purchase them in bulk this year, 2021, around summer or fall, so Q2 or Q3. So the production is already starting, and there's already several jobs. On top of that, we could be seeing some sort of autopilot, because if you check out this tweet by Green the Only, this is like a Tesla hacker. He pretty much notices that there's a really weird Tesla code in it. Now, the semi trucks will most likely have 10 cameras, and there is a lot of autopilot going on with the Tesla semis. Now, the Tesla semis will be extremely safe. They got different sensors, so if the driver isn't really paying attention, it will auto stop in front of like a vehicle or something like that. And possibly 2 to 3 years down the line, we could be seeing Tesla getting full autonomy on the Tesla semis. No drivers inside. This is kind of scary, but also kind of cool. This saves logistics companies a lot of money because, you don't really need a driver, or maybe a driver controls 5 different semi trucks and just monitor them and make sure they're fine. So things are looking pretty good for the Tesla semi. You do have autopilot being implemented, and Elon Musk even said that he will be achieving full autonomy in 2021 this year. And that means all the regular Teslas, which have the full self-driving beta, will be having updates every 5 to 10 days. And we should be seeing some sort of an autopilot system set up late 2021. And the Tesla Semi is no exception either. We will be seeing more and more autopilot software being crammed in. And I definitely feel like the share prices will definitely go up when we get more news about Tesla Semi getting autopilot, etc. Lastly, before we wrap up the video, is Tesla Model Y pricing. We will be seeing massive amounts of volume production from the Gigafactory Shanghai. Because in 2021, Q1, January, which is exactly the month that we're in right now, we should be seeing Tesla increase the production of the Model Ys, because in 2021, Musk wants to be selling roughly 1 million Tesla vehicles. They want to make them and deliver them, and 550,000 of these vehicles will be produced from one Gigafactory, and that's in Shanghai. And 100,000 of these vehicles will be shipped to Europe because the Berlin Gigafactory would not be fully operational until Q2 or Q3. They're facing massive delays. Right now, Tesla Model Y pricing is out. It's pretty nice. And the EV crossover is pretty expensive. You got the Model Y dual motor AWD starting prices at roughly $52,000 USD. The Model Y Performance starts roughly at $56,000, and the price slowly goes higher and higher. A lot of these vehicles, they sell for a lot, and we even have a Tesla Model Y model that sells for roughly $81,000 in China. And a lot of these vehicles are super expensive, and they're not cheap at all. And guess what? Model Ys will be the best-selling electric vehicle in China, possibly even surpassing the Model 3, because a lot of people seem to want the Model Y. So at this current moment, we could be seeing a lot of massive production. There's already a ton of people lined up, already put down their security deposits for the Tesla Model Y, and it will be having like a brand new autopilot, etc. And we should be seeing production full speed ahead. There are no more delays. In fact, China's appetite for Tesla is so big to the point that Tesla had to make a new factory right next to the Gigafactory Shanghai to just make the supercharger V3 stations. They made a whole factory just to make superchargers because there's so many people buying their cars in that country. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year's, by the way. Let's just see what happens in 2021. A lot of really interesting stuff. Thanks for watching.